Folks, have you ever tried planning a trip and ended up with tabs everywhere, flights in one, hotels in another, blogs somewhere else, and yet you still don't have a clear itinerary? I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're exploring Tabbit, a smart tool that helps you plan trips more efficiently. It's more than just a browser with a chatbot. Its AI agent understands what you're browsing, keeps track of your tabs, and helps you turn scattered travel ideas into a structured itinerary. Today, I'll show you how to plan a weekend getaway step by step, from researching destinations and saving must-visit spots to generating a ready-to-use itinerary. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Alright friends, imagine you're planning the weekend trip to Rome. Normally you'd Google things, open 10 tabs, read blogs, copy notes into a document, then switch to ChatGPT to build a plan. It's slow, you lose context, and your browser turns into chaos. Guys, let's see how Tabbit makes trip planning simple and organized. I open this tool and enter my query directly in chat agent mode, planning a weekend trip to Rome. The platform connects to Google Search and starts pulling relevant resources just like you would manually. But now everything is structured from the start. On the left we have vertical tabs. You can clearly read titles, scan sources, and close anything irrelevant. If you prefer horizontal tabs, you can switch. But honestly, vertical works much better when you're planning multiple places or activities. Mates, instead of scattered pages, I can immediately group them. I select the relevant tabs and create a group called Rome Trip. Now, this entire research flow lives inside one dedicated workspace. I can collapse it, expand it, and manage it separately from everything else. Now comes the key part, working with the content itself. Instead of copying text into another app, I open an article like Best Things to Do in Rome Today. I highlight the exact places I want to remember, right-click, and choose Favorite Selected Text. Guys, that content goes straight into Favorites, not just as a link, but as saved knowledge. On another page, I find a photo of the Colosseum I like. I save that too. Now, inside Favorites, I see exactly what I selected: specific text, images, notes, no extra clutter. And if I want to open the original web page, I can do it right from there. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Friends, let's take it further. I find a pub I'd really like to visit, and since I'm staying near the Colosseum, I need to figure out how to get there. Instead of copying the address and searching for it manually, I simply highlight the pub's name and click Ask Tabbit about selected text. The chat opens up, either in floating mode or in the side panel, and the selected text is already inserted for me. From there, I can just ask how to get there from the Colosseum, and the assistant immediately starts working with that context. Instantly, I get transport options, tram lines, bus numbers, where to get off, travel time, plus a walking route with distance and estimated time. No switching tabs, no retyping addresses. I can even ask it to generate a Google Maps link. It builds the route immediately, and I can open the full map right away. Everything stays inside the same environment. Now, when it comes to models, you can absolutely choose them manually if you prefer that level of control. But honestly, mates, I'd recommend switching on auto mode with best model enabled. That way, the system intelligently distributes your requests and automatically selects the most suitable model for whatever task you're running, so you don't have to think about it every single time. And instead of writing long detailed prompts over and over again, you can use skills. These are built-in action templates that save you a lot of time. For example, I can simply run the summarize skill on the article I currently have open, and within seconds I get a clear, structured summary without typing out a complex instruction. But here's where it gets powerful, guys. I create a custom skill called Trip Planner. I define it to generate a 2-day walking itinerary based on my active tabs and saved favorites. Remember, we already saved summaries and restaurants earlier. Now I trigger the skill with a / command. Folks, Tabbit analyzes my open tabs and favorites together. You can see it referencing them, and generates a structured 2-day Rome itinerary. It even includes dining recommendations pulled from what I saved. This isn't just browsing anymore, it's contextual orchestration. And if I decide to tweak the plan, I simply tell it what I'd like done differently. As you can see, the agent updates the schedule, keeps all locations, and inserts a proper REST window. Guys, we researched, structured, analyzed, generated, and optimized without ever leaving the browser. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. With the right tools, planning a trip becomes about shaping the experience instead of just collecting information. You can see your ideas come together, make adjustments on the fly, and end up with a plan that's actually ready to use. Trip planning doesn't have to be stressful. With Tabbit, you spend less time searching and more time imagining the adventure ahead. From attractions and restaurants to routes and timing, everything stays in one smart browser. If you're curious, guys, give Tabbit a try and experience a whole new level of productivity. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.